Hey guys, what is up? I'm here to bring you an airsoft unboxing. Birthday unboxing. I think I know what this is. I ordered something else, but yeah, you don't want to hear me talk. You just want to hear me. You want to see me unbox this. So let's get started. It's my awesome little handy dandy knife right here. It's a bullet. It's awesome. My dad got it for me. Yeah. Alright. Oh. Alright. But I ordered this from airsoft. I do not know what this is. What is this? What on earth is this? Whatever. Airsplat.com sticker. See airsplat.com. There's a little gun thing. I'm gonna put this sticker on my laptop. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, look. Yes, I knew what this was. It is the CQB. Move this stuff out of the way. Oh, that's right. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Oh, this is fresh. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is so nice. Wow. This is a nice looking gun. Alright. Alright. So, first thing, nice little speed loader. This is nice. Sling. Did you guys see this? Yeah. Sling. Grip. Okay. What is it? Oh, I think it's the laser. Yeah. Stop. Oh, this has some weight to it. This is nice. This is really nice. So, here's the instructions manual, by the way. Here are the safety goggles. I thought these were going to be like that crappy plastic, but actually, if you get this, they're good for just shooting, but not in an airsoft war. So, yeah. That's another thing. Battery. Sling straps. Crappy BBs. Charger. And last but not least, it's got, ooh, this has some weight to it. It's nice. I hate styrofoam. Oh, this is so nice. And then, this is really nice. Oh, so the battery's in there. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, this is so nice. Here it is. Oops. Oh. yeah, here's the tactical. This actually has some nice weight to it. But yeah. Such a nice one. But yeah, this. Sorry for all the blabbering, but this has been my birthday unboxing of the TCB Boy AEG M4A1 M16. Alright, well, thanks guys for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and, yeah, thanks guys. Bye.